Sup, homies? I coughed and hiccuped at the same time. Oh, butt is asleep. Okay. Yeah, I just hiccuped and burped at the same time. That was a very uncomfortable experience on my part. You're probably gonna find it funny as heck. As I probably will when I like. I love this little curl. It's always like, it's just like boing, boing. I have sharp nails. There's something stuck under one of them. Keep making this noise. Can't help it. Have you ever just stopped and like really, ow, inward hiccup hurt? You ever like wondered how, or ever wondered like how you make certain sounds like? I know how that one's made, but the what is it doing? Right. I'm shutting my mouth. Just think about how weird this is. I'm shutting my mouth, and I'm suctioning my tongue to the top of my mouth and pulling it down really quickly. That's what making the sound. You never really stop and like think, how did I make that sound again? Like what muscles are you pulling? You're like, you can't really explain it. It's like right, it's like between there. Like me, I don't know how that HE double hockey stick is making this noise. I don't know. Can't stop hiccuping. Dude, these are long hiccups. I think the longest time I ever had hiccups straight was that I got on camera was 13 minutes long, and I couldn't post it. No, I did post it in 2 parts, I think. But yeah. I wonder if these are gonna excel and get more than that. Oh shoot, I'm low on battery. Give me a minute. Give me a second. Yeah, that was a hiccup. Excuse me. Oh, hi. I just hiccuped right in the speaker. Use my throat. Stop hiccuping. So that I don't like the hiccups, just they hiccup it. Well, I hiccup at like inconvenient times, like when my mouth is really wide open or when it's ow, butt cheek in pain. Jeez, that was weird. There was like 2 of them. Why are my feet cold now? I don't know. Anyway. Yeah. We're about to go into the we're almost 9 minutes into these hiccups. Sheesh. Oh, I was gonna watch Gargoyles. It's 2:06. God damn it. Sorry, my language. I'll have to put like a censor over that. That'll be fun. So I can say like a bunch of funny words and they won't. Like doodle. Shiitake mushrooms. Actually, if you were really wanting to keep language away from people, shiitake mushrooms would have to be double censored. Shit. You know, that word and mushrooms. Taki would be fine. Taki, as far as I know, is not a swear unless it's Japanese for something dirty or something, which I know nothing of, so I'm assuming it's not. 2 more seconds and I'm gonna go to part 3. Holy crap. These hiccups are really persistent. Yeah, I'll be back.